This currently have two cases. My first one was a 17-year-old in Houston. Well, she was 16. She's 17 now. She'll age out in November. And the second one is a sibling group. Well, I just enjoy talking to the kids and going to see them and see their faces light up. And the girl that's in Houston, we do a lot of phone calls, and so I sit there and I help her, just work through problems. And I have yet to meet her, but she's coming pretty soon, so I'll get to meet her. So. Well, I think with my kids, Queenie, she is aging out and she's working and she's wanting to buy all these things, and I have to sit and kind of calm her down and say, what is the one thing that you really, really want? Do you really want that cell phone, or do you really want that dress? And so then I have her, make out a budget and see what she can afford. But in the community, I don't know, it's just, I think it makes a difference. And I talk to everybody when I see them, like if I'm paying a bill or something, I'll mention CASA and I'll mention how I'm a volunteer. I know they need more volunteers, and so I kind of advocate for that too. My grandson is one. He's actually going to start helping pretty soon, so just trying to get them more volunteers. Well, my first one was in Houston, and it was going to be phone contact mostly. So it's a little disappointing because I wanted to work with the child, And then I got the sibling group, and of course I got 5. So I was really excited, kind of shocked but excited, going, I think I could do this, I'll do this, So I was really excited that they were all together and trying to keep them together. So, well, unlike with the girl in Houston, it's just trying to get her to realize that it's better for her to be in care, and to try not get her to come back home. It's not a good situation at home. So just when we're in court, we actually have court at the Transition Center, and the judge is wonderful, Judge Hart. And so he helps us, advocate for the child also and figure out ways to maybe help her realize that staying in care longer is better for her. So one of the things we're going to do is maybe bring her for a visit with Mom, so she can see it's not going to be all that Mom cuts it out, makes it out to be. So that they will love it, that they will see a lot, but that to hang in there and to really try and listen to the child and listen to what the child wants, and just to be strong and to enjoy while they're working with their kids.